For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Chinese Foreign Ministry said that the United States ordered China to close its diplomatic consulate in Houston, Texas. This comes as another blow to the rapidly deteriorating relations between United States and China. Beijing said it strongly condemns this retaliation. The United States has reportedly given the Chinese side a deadline of 3 days to close the mission in Houston. Relations between US and China have deteriorated significantly since the outbreak of the novel coronavirus in the Chinese city of Wuhan. The unilateral closure of China's consulate general in Houston within a short period of time is an unprecedented escalation of its recent actions against China. We urge the US to immediately revoke this erroneous decision. Should it insist on going down this wrong path, China will react with firm countermeasures. US media reported, citing the Houston Police Department, that documents were burnt in the courtyard of the Consulate General in the city on Tuesday night. But the Chinese media denied these reports and said the consulate had been operating in a normal manner. The closure of Chinese consulate in Houston can be termed as the latest effort by the Trump administration to tighten the reins on Chinese diplomats, journalists, scholars, and others in the United States. The Trump administration is also considering a ban on travel to the United States by members of the Communist Party and their families, a move that could affect 270 million people. For some time, the United States government has been shifting the blame to China with stigmatization and unwarranted attacks against China's social system, harassing Chinese diplomatic and consular staff in America, intimidating and interrogating Chinese students, and confiscating their personal electrical devices, even detaining them without cause. The two countries have clashed recently over trade, technology, a national security law imposed on Hong Kong, and China's claims in the South China Sea. On Tuesday, the US Justice Department charged 2 Chinese men who allegedly spied on US companies involved in coronavirus research and got help from state agents for thefts. The accusations against former electrical engineering students include charges of trade secret theft and wire fraud conspiracy. The FBI alleged that they stole military data and provided the Chinese government with the passwords of a democracy activist in Hong Kong. China has now taken its place alongside Russia, Iran, and North Korea in that shameful club of nations that provide a safe haven for cyber criminals in exchange for those criminals being on call to work for the benefit of the state, here to feed the Chinese Communist Party's insatiable hunger for American and other non-Chinese companies' hard-earned intellectual property, including COVID-19 research. The UK, US, and Canada last week accused Russia of seeking to steal research related to COVID-19.